Hello, this is April, TCG Clam. I am here to show you how you can easily make a seafood bowl. That's if it's just yourself and maybe someone else. So yeah, this is a seafood bowl. This is from Kroger. You don't have to worry about a lot of things. It is, everything is just pretty much in here. Potatoes, corn, shrimp, crab legs, snow crab legs, and the sauce. And then I also picked up some lemon. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna boil the water. So we're gonna get some water boiling. Okay, so we're gonna let that boil and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so while the water is boiling, as you see, the corn and the potatoes come in a separate packet. Now these, we're gonna set that to the side and we're gonna go ahead and clean the crab legs and the shrimp. It doesn't give you instructions on cleaning these things. However, you always want to make sure you rinse this off and just wash with it. Okay, so it comes with this sauce, already made sauce, and all you have to do is just warm it up. What I'm going to do is cook it a little bit in a little saucepan because I want to add some garlic and ginger. Okay, so this is our finished product. We've got our sauce. Looks delicious. All right, and then of course over here we've got the shrimp, crab legs, got some lemon, corn, and red potatoes are in there somewhere. Yep. All right, so this is the finished product. Let's give it a taste. Okay, so we're just gonna grab a shrimp. Let it soak in our sauce a little bit. Some ginger on that. Squeeze a little lemon juice, little fresh lemons. Yum. My goodness. So good. Mm-mm. Is anything in there? Sounds very shallow. I will say these snow crab legs that are frozen, I think that getting fresh crab legs would be much better, especially buying the seafood bowl out of a grocery store. So keep that in mind. That's some crab meat at the top there. Okay, well, I'm going to continue on eating, and this is, again, the Kroger seafood boil. Okay, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you later.